All right, thank you for tuning in. I am Sonika, the Positivity Queen, or some of you may know me as Eve the Jewel Hunter. So today I wanted to share my me time with you. And what I do for my me time is take a bath. When was the last time you had a bath? Okay, I know we always take showers, but you need to really take a bath. What do I mean by take a bath? Take a bubble bath, put you some rose buds inside, some lavender, and one of my favorite gems. I wanted to show you some things that I use, but this one, oh my goodness, I love this, ladies. These are those bath bombs, but this one in particular, this has that like gold shimmer on it. I don't know if you can see that close up, but if you take it, it leaves a nice effect on your skin. I really like this, and it smells so nice. It smells like a vanilla bean, and it just smells really nice. So I highly recommend you try this. This is called Holiday Bliss. I got this at Marshall's. It was $5.99. Bath bombs. But if you can't find this one, just look for some nice gold ones. Your skin, if you do the air brushing, say thank you. And if you tried this one, let me know how they work for you, especially for my melanated sisters. I'm telling you, you come out shimmering. My second choice is, okay, since we're talking about the baths, me times, you gotta have, whenever you're having a bath, you gotta have some bubble bath. And this, actually I bought 3. But this is like my favorite. I gotta have a backup. So when you see this, I got this at Marshall's as well. It was $4.99. But this is the birthday cake. Oh my God, it smells so good. Smell that. Oh my God, it smells so good. They should have smell-o-vision. Like you want to eat it. Your skin comes out so just yummy. Like I always, this with that little bath bomb. Nice. Very nice. And it smells. The smell is just amazing. I love smells. And you burn your little candle. You gotta have a candle. So make sure you add that to your list. I don't know if I just showed you my coconut oil, but I'm gonna re-show it. This is coconut oil. Like my magic tube. Your edges is coming out. Perfect for your edges. You can brush your teeth with this. Your skin is soft, smooth, and you smell nice. Trust me. They'll thank you later. Smell that? Smell that? Coconut. You don't even need all those fancy lotions and stuff. But if you have them, cool. But cheap, natural, smoothing, smelling good is doing everything. And you can even cook with it. But don't use the same jar to cook with. Okay? This is by Simply. Organic Simply Nature. Okay? This was a little find. I don't usually find this, but when I do find it, I always get it. It's the Sandalwood liquid soap. Oh my God. Even the men will love this. Your man will love this. Try it. Let the men smell it. This is for the man too, but we can use this, lady. You know, sometimes we always have that fruity stuff. Look, I'm rubbing it on my skin. But I love this. This stuff is so good. I got this at Burlington. It was for $5.99. If you can find this, I highly suggest you buy it. So go to Burlington and check it out. It's called Sandalwood. If not, it's made in Italy. I don't know how to say this, but it's Sandalwood liquid soap. Real close. You can Amazon that, Google it. Whatever you need to do, just get it. It's normally $13, but I found it at Burlington for $5.99. Whenever I see it, I buy it. So try this. Your man will love it, and you'll love it too. Or your husband, boyfriend, whatever. And one of my other favorites, especially for my edges. If you have an edge problem, here you go. Put this in your hair. Or you just want your hair to grow. Okay, this is the Jamaican black coconut oil. I like the coconut oil. They have a mango oil, but I love coconut. But this stuff is the best. You can find these at any local beauty store. Or either Walmart too. I think Walmart, I got this one at Walmart. I think it was $7.99. Go for it. Really good stuff. In case you're getting sick, you got a little bug, you got a little sore, anything. Best thing on the planet Earth is by Healing Garden. I love this. I super love this. Anywhere I'm traveling, you know this is in my bag. It's by Healing Garden. It's called Oregano. Can you see that? Oregano black seed oil. It is so potent. You only need a drop. Like, seriously. It's really potent. Let's say if you have a sore or something, you take it, put it here. You can smell it. It's bitter, nasty, but it does its job. It's worth every dime. That's how strong it is. Definitely a must. Add it to your collection. Whew, it's super potent. You see, just one drop, and you can smell that. The best thing. This is my go-to. Whenever you have a little cold problem, anything, just drink it. You won't even have no cold. It builds you up. Okay? By Healing Garden, oregano, black seed, olive oil. Olive oil, okay? Go for it. So those were my gems and jewels and tips of the day that I use, that I highly recommend you use. Try it out. Let me know if it was a nay or a yay. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. In the meantime, let me tease you a little bit. Just a little bit. Let me turn that right here. Right here, see? See that? You gotta do you. You gotta make this time for you. About to get up in this tub and soak and read a book, do a little journaling, do something. Just take a bath, okay? It's life-changing. It really is, though. It really is. I love taking baths. You can't take a shower every day. So make some time for yourself. Get you in the bathtub, be it alone or with your loved one. Either way, throw some rose petals in there, some lavender, some eucalyptus. Burn a candle, you know, even get your look. I love this too. Got my Palo Santo. See, it was burning. Gotta get your little incense going. You know, even with some music, whatever you like. But just make sure you make time for yourself, okay? Again, this was Sonika telling you to be amazing. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and do comment. Treat yourself. You deserve the best. All right? And let me know about those products. Thanks for watching.